Welcome back to a new episode of Lives on Wheels. Before we dive into the story of today's protagonist, we invite you to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this one. It's a small gesture for you, but for us, it's essential to keep sharing the stories of those who left a mark on our collective memory. Today, we talk about the man who invented custom culture. Born where movie stars sip martinis, Beverly Hills, raised instead among the clang of workshops and the dust of Bell, California. A shift already. Social, cultural, like moving from Technicolor to black and white noir. Ed Roth. Young Roth. Hands dirty early, pencils and pistons. Bell High School offered him art on one side, mechanics on the other. He took both, like a boxer who learns to dance. Engineering college followed. Then the uniform, US Air Force. Discipline, order. And in the barracks, away from the parade ground, the first experiments. Resins, shapes, colours pushed too far. Decoration as rebellion. The 60s hadn't even started, and Roth was already ahead of the curve. Big Daddy before the nickname, before the myth. He smelled business in custom culture when others still sniffed glue. In 1958, he set up shop with the Baron and young Tom Kelly. Linwood, a place with more asphalt than dreams. They called it Crazy Painters. Name like a jazz combo, loud, unstable, perfect. A year later, another leap. Maywood, Los Angeles. Roth Studios. Not a shop, a laboratory. A circus, a printing press for misfits. Here, the shirts were born. Not garments, manifestos. The Weirdo Shirts. Printed faces that looked like they'd escaped from a Tex Avery cartoon after a bad night. Promoted through Carcraft. Sold by mail order, envelope after envelope, stamp after stamp. America answered. Teenagers with greasy hands and loud dreams. Roth became a star without ever acting like one. Then came Rat Fink, not Mickey, his evil twin. A rat with bulging eyes, drooling tongue, manic grin. Grotesque, glorious, an anti-hero fit for the hot rod age. Posters, t-shirts, model kits. Rat Fink crawled everywhere, like rock and roll after Elvis. But Roth wasn't just drawing monsters, he was building them. On wheels. Outlaw, 1959. Fiberglass body, pure provocation. Then Beatnik Bandit, 1961. Clear canopy. Joystick steering. A spaceship parked at the drag strip. Kubrick before Kubrick. And after that, a parade of automotive hallucinations. Mysterion, Orbitron, Surfite. Cars that didn't ask permission. Revell noticed. Scaled them down, sold them worldwide. Fame multiplied. Wallet thickened. Inside Roth Studios, the tribe grew. Nicknames piled up like poker chips. Ed Newt, Newton, Don Monty Monteverde, first to give shape to Rat Fink, Robert Williams, young Mike Fast Mikey Vills, a gang, an orchestra, and Roth himself, Big Daddy, big body, bigger presence. The name stuck like grease under fingernails. Success demanded speed. Hand painting gave way to silkscreen. Art met industry. Not everyone liked it. Roth didn't care. Then the turn. Mid-60s, 2 wheels call louder than 4. Harley-Davidson panheads, 5 of them, ex-LAPD, bought at auction. Authority recycled into anarchy. He built trikes that looked like Mad Max sketches before Mad Max existed. Published Choppers magazine, 1968 to 1970. Among the first to put custom bikes on paper, inked with sweat. Faces changed too. Black protagonists on covers, women riders, Al's Soul Machine, Dingy Diane. The counterculture rolled in on thick tires. But freedom has a price. Hell's Angels entered the frame. Burdu chapter. Imagery, posters, merch. Too much, said Revell. Too raw, said mainstream magazines. Ads refused, doors closed, money bled. Then accusations. You're getting rich, we get scraps. Tension snapped. The clash came at Roth Studios. Real, physical. Afterwards, Big Daddy burned it all. Bike merch, posters, memories, fire in the back room, a funeral pyre for a life chapter. 1. Roth Studios shut down. End of an era. What followed was quieter. Freelance work, sign painting, Knott's Berry Farm, museums of stars and planes. Then Utah. And in 1974, a return inward. Faith, the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. A conversion that shocked outsiders but made sense to those who knew the roots of Kustom Kulture. Von Dutch, Jeff Decker, same soil, different harvests. The 80s and 90s came back knocking, exhibitions, reunions, rediscovery. They finally gave the movement a name, Kustom Kulture. Roth, suddenly, was history. Big Daddy died in 2001, 69 years. Heart attack. But his creatures still grin. His cars still look impossible. His ideas still leak into design studios, garages, DIY basements worldwide. Like a good hot rod. He never really stopped running.